Hello, here is how you report on an appointment after it's taken place using Navigate. This is what's called a post-appointment summary and should be logged for all appointments between you and a student. So this is specifically for appointments that are scheduled in Navigate. There are some care units that use Navigate for drop-in functionality, for example, tutoring. So the appointment may not be scheduled to Navigate ahead of time, and there is a separate training resource for how to report on those engagements. However, this is specifically for appointments that are scheduled in Navigate, whether scheduled by a staff or scheduled by the student. So from Navigate, you can go to the Appointments tab here at the top, and you'll see two areas here, the upcoming appointments box, and then also down below underneath reporting, you'll see what says recent appointments, and you can see the appointments that have already concluded. These are any appointments that have taken place in the past. So two different things you can do here. One, you can select this box on the left here, and from the actions menu, you can click mark no show. That automatically marks the student as a no-show and can be used to track how many students actually attended their appointments. And then the second one is what we'll be covering today is the add appointment summary box. And you can just go ahead and click that. And that's going to open this dialog box here. These questions here are specific to the care unit. So yours may look different if you are working in advising or working in the tutoring areas. This form here is for the College Success Center, so don't be alarmed if you don't see these exact same questions. Yours may look a little bit different. But we can see on the left side here all of the appointment details about that appointment that took place, including the start time, the student, the staff representative. And we can see below here there are check-in and check-out times. Those are optional for you. If a student checks in, if you're using the kiosk at the front or front desk, or if staff are checking in students for appointments when they arrive, these times will automatically be populated by the kiosk. We don't use that to identify if the student came to the appointment. What we look for is this attended box here. So just make sure that that's checked, which it is checked by default when logging a post-appointment summary. Again, if the student no-showed, then use the no-show process for marking them as such. So you can go ahead and just verify this information on the left, complete the forms here. You can also attach files if that's applicable to you, and then you'll go ahead and click Save this report. And then I can see now down below in the recent appointments that this went from saying the report was filed from saying not yet to saying report details. You can click on that and you can see the report information that you entered, and other staff can also see that information. This also marks the student as attending the appointment. So when you run or your administrators run a report for attended appointments, this is the information that's used to generate that data. Again, if they're no-show, we mark them separately, and then that's also used in the reporting functionality. So it's really that easy. That's how you file a post-appointment summary. Again, you'll just have to wait until the appointment moves from the upcoming appointments to the recent appointments, and that's based solely on the time of the appointment. It automatically moves itself down below once the time has passed, and then you can mark them as a no-show or you can mark them as attended.